How to register a domain name with GoDaddy. If you wish to register a domain name with GoDaddy or to buy a new domain and register it, it is very simple. Just go to godaddy.com and then you want to make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your account, this is the type of interface you will see. Here, you will be able to find your search bar. So all you have to do over here is simply type in the domain name that you wish to register. So once you go ahead and type in the domain name, you can hit the search tool and see if that kind of domain is available. So fortunately, in my case, it is available. You can see the exact match, but you can also register for other ones. So there, the .com one, there will be the .org, .xyz, .info, .net. Whatever else it is that you prefer, just click on the Make It Yours button right here. And once done, you will be able to see and click the Continue button. Then after that, you'll be able to fill out your payment method and so on. You can have a full domain protection, by the way, which will prevent hackers from stealing a domain or making any other unauthorized changes. Requires your approval via two-factor authentication for vital changes like deleting or transferring a domain. And once done, you can hit the Continue to Cart option, follow up with your payment method, and then you'll be able to register your domain. That's all it takes for us to register a domain on GoDaddy. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.